To import data from a web page, first find the web page you're interested in. So here we have the Wikipedia list of oldest trees, which has a data table in it that we want to import. So select the URL of that page and copy it, then go into Columnar. In a new file, or an existing file if you want to import it into an existing project, click the cell where you want the data to end up, then click the New button. Select Import URL, and if the URL is on your clipboard, it will automatically be inserted, and the HTML page option will be selected by default. Say OK. Then you'll be shown the web page from within Columnar to select the table, in case there are multiple tables on the same web page. So just click on the one that you want, and you'll then be presented with the import dialog. On the left hand side of the import dialog is the original data table, and on the right hand side is the data as it will be imported into Columnar. If, as for example here, it hasn't quite selected the right data because it's tried to cut off the headers but not quite guessed right, then you can just change the selection that you want to import. Alternatively, if you do want to cut off particular rows, you can do that as well. So select all the data that you want. There are a couple of options up here. Particularly useful for importing from Wikipedia is this option to remove the footnotes that they tend to put in their tables. When you say OK, the data will then be imported into Columnar and you are ready to process it.